up, I have the Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite. The Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite gaming mouse stands out with its key slider control system, 18,000 DPI optical sensor, 17 programmable buttons, customizable RGB lighting, and incredibly durable design. The Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite is equipped with an 1800 DPI optical sensor that delivers precision and accuracy for your gaming sessions. So whether you're engaging in intense firefights or executing complex maneuvers, the RGB Elite ensures lightning-fast response times and pixel-perfect tracking every time. It also has 17 programmable buttons. The RGB Elite is built for action and complex gaming sessions. With a key slider control system, you can easily reposition the 12 side buttons to comfortably fit your grip and your playstyle. Plus, with a customizable dynamic 4-zone RGB backlighting, you can add a touch of personalization to your gaming setup and stand out from the crowd. The RGB Elite was sculpted to fit the contours of your palm, regardless of hand size or grip style. It also has a right side finger rest, which just adds more support during those long-lasting gaming sessions. Not to mention, the RGB Elite has an ultra-durable design through its 50 million click rate Omron switches, sturdy scroll wheel, and braided cable, which ensures it can last the wear and tear of all your gaming sessions. The Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite stands out with its precision tracking through its 18,000 DPI optical sensor, durable build, key slider control system, customizable RGB features, 17 programmable buttons, and ergonomic design. So for those who are looking for an incredibly customizable and durable gaming mouse, the RGB Elite might just be the right choice